same model, the same project I am opening you, and I will show you the same. Okay, so here I will show you how to create this massing plan. So whatever the levels right now we have the same level, we will follow here also the same. Okay, so whenever you were going to work out for the massing, so you have to go with floor plan only. Don't work on structure plan, you have to go floor plan. Don't go ceiling plan also. Okay, you have to work out on floor plan itself only. So right now in ground floor I just checking, and I will show you here how to create the mass model. So you just go here, massing and site. So here whatever the menus you will find up to here, this all comes under massing only. Okay, so right now you can see here some of the components like curtain systems, roof by face, wall by face, and floor by face. These are the four entities which we are going to be put in buildings, structure or architecture, whatever the materials you are going to be provided, that we can able to create it here. Okay, so right now you can see here there is a in place mass, place mass. There are two types of massing will be there here. In place mass means we have to create the mass entities, and then on that we have to place the material. Here where there is a mass, place mass on option will be there. This option means the existing family we can able to create the mass, and we have to apply the materials on it. So first I will explain you how to place the mass body. So you just click the mass place, and here whenever you will start with the place mass, so here it is going to be ask you, there are the newly created mass will be visible. So you just go this one, you just pick out this and make it close. So first time when you are going to work out for the mass family, so here it is asking it, no mass family is loaded in the project, would you like to load on now? Yes, you have to load it the mass family. So here you have to go the mass one folder will be there, you can see here, mass load family. You just go the load family, here you will find one mass folder. In that mass folder, if you click on that, you can see these all are the mass families. This already the mass families has been created from the Autodesk people's Autodesk execution persons. They have created some of the mass families here. Okay, so these are the families already existing with us, and we can make it the model on that, and we can apply the material on that. So whatever the shapes you can see here, these all are the shapes of the mass bodies. This is a dome shape, this is a gable shape, here this is a pyramid shape, and if you go here rectangular blended shape, there is some twisting, there are some bending like of shapes will be there. So these are the shapes, this is all are irregular shapes, and this all shapes already the family has been created with the help of massing only, because these are the massing family. This is not a component, it's a mass, it's a thin paper, like that it was there here. So which families you require, you just click and make it loaded. So whatever the shapes of your model, if it is required, if it is matching here any of the shape, you can go and make it that shape and apply as per your requirement. Okay, because these are the mass families. In this mass families we have to apply the component material, so it will be look as a 3D model, and it is going to be created with the thickness everything. But right now whatever the models you are seeing here, the view, these all are the models it was there, but it's a thin paper, hollow, nothing material is not available on that. If you click, there is no properties, there is no material, nothing will be there, only the shapes it has been created as a thin paper. So within that shapes, if you want, you can make it. So already whatever the families you can see here, these families also we can able to edit also, because some of the families, some of the components you required in such a way that it is exactly matching up to 80%, but 20% we need to make some modifications. So we can take this family, no need to create one more mass family. You just go and make it, edit on that, and just go with save as with different name. It will be create the same. The remaining 20% which is not matching at all as per your requirement, you have to make it change and modification also. It's possible here. We can do it. Okay, so right now I am just taking some of the families here with some cylindrical shape or some blended shape, whatever the gable shape, dome shape, whatever you require, you can take it and just make it load. So after loading, what will happen? These all families have been loaded in your project, and which shape, which size you require, you can take it the shape and size on that. It will be. Okay, so now all these families has been loaded. Now here you have to select which mass families you require right now to work out on a project. So right now I am taking a cylinder. So I am placing a cylinder. This is one cylinder, round circular cylinder is there. So you just think that this is one of the shape. And if you want to take another shape also, you can take it. If you want to take some this arc shape or some box shape, whatever you require, you can make it. So here one cylindrical shape is there, here one circular shape is also there. Okay, so now this shape you just go and check in 3D how it will be. You can see these are the families of mass bodies. But here if you click this one, there is no properties, only the size of that mass family has been given. Here the width is given, height is given and depth is given. But if you go edit tab, then nothing will be there. There is no property. Only the elevation is 1.2 meter elevation has given. Means from base to what is the height. So that elevation has given. And here you can see the surface area, how much it is going to be covered. That is also going to be shown you here. And the gross volume of it is come. But it is only related to the mass. There is no material at all here. So these entities, if you require to make it some mass floors, because you just think that this is a building. You just imagine in such a way that this is a building, and in this building we need to place multiple floors on it. Okay, so this families you can edit it also. If you go edit family, you can edit it also here. Okay, we can able to make it edition also here. If you go here and you just click whatever the shapes you require, you can make it edit also. If you want to make it increase, you can make it increase. These all are parametric families. Directly you can give these parameters of the height also, it is going to be changed. If you are going to give some 1200 height here, it is going to be changed, the height, you can see. So whatever the height, whatever the requirement you have, you just give it and make it into loaded in process. So like that we can able to edit that family also. So right now you can see this is a hollow paper. It's not a solid model, it's a hollow mass families model has been already created from the Autodesk company. Now in that I want to place some of the material and some of the exterior part of the building, because these all are the exterior. In between this is a hollow. Here there is nothing is there. Only the outer shape has been given. And if you are going to measure it also, it is not the exact thickness. You can see it's a single line thickness. It's a paper. The measurement thickness also we can't able to make it measurement also. What is the thickness? Nothing will become. It's like a thin line. And the internal part is hollow. So only the external part is there. Here also the circle also the same. Only exterior part will be visible, and that is also a thin line. And inside part it's a hollow. Okay. So right now you just think this is a building as per a small size of building, and in that we are going to be provide the materials on that. So you have to go massing and side, and here there is an option will be there. You can see there is a curtain system, roof, floor, wall. So there are two options will be there here, wall and curtain system. If you want to put the surrounding of this building as a glass, this shape as a glass, so you can have to go curtain system. If you say no sir, I want to put a brick wall or some concrete wall, the surrounding wall, so you can put the brick wall or surrounding walls, whatever you require you can place it. So now I'm just going with wall. And after clicking the face with the wall, you have to be checked here which type of wall and which type of this wall thickness you require. You just make it the thickness as per that. But remaining modeling process is same. You have to go here, you have to make it the thickness, whatever the thickness you require. Just now I am making 150 is my thickness of the wall, and you have to go here, and here also you have to give the material. Which type of material you require, you have to give. Sir, I want to put some concrete wall, so you have to put concrete material here, and you have to place it. So after applying the concrete material here, 0.150, 150 is the thickness, and just go with that. So here, after selecting here the concrete wall, you just click on the face, that's all. If you click on the face, automatically what will happen? The wall is going to be placed. No need to create model, you just pick the mass creation model, you just click the face, just click it, you can see already the 150 thickness wall has been taken. Here mass model is also exist, but over this mass bodies you can able to directly place the wall. If you require this side, you can click, it will come. If you require this side also, you can click, it will come. So 3 sides the wall has been applied. So here manually creation is not required, because the model massing only the shape already it has been created. That shape you have to apply the material, which type of material, what is the thickness, you have to apply on that, it will become directly. So now you can see the 3 sides we have applied the material with some concrete material. You can go here, a realistic view, you can see able to see the concrete material here directly on that. And existing the mass families is also it's sorted. We can make it off also, this mass family. Now you can see this is a concrete, and over that there is a mass family. So that is the reason here you can see some texture views, it is going to be viewed here. Now this side it's a hollow, am I right? Because the 3 side I have closed, but this side is hollow. But this side also I want to put glass material, because this side is the entrance, the front side. You just remember in such a way that the 3 sides is the exterior side and this is the front side. So now we want to put this front side as a glass, so you have to go curtain systems, and you have to select the glass curtain system. What is the glass size? 1500 by some 3000 has been given here. You have to go edit type, you can make it duplicate with whatever the sizes you require. Okay, so right, one pieces of glass is been given. Okay, so this the size is nothing but this is horizontal grid and vertical grid, like that has given. You can see here 1500 is nothing but grid. This is grid 1, this is grid 2. So this is first one is what horizontal grid, and this is the vertical grid. So whatever the size right now you require, you have to give it the same size. So now I required some 500, and here some 1000, 1 meter is the requirement of my curtain grid shape. So 1.5 is the horizontal grid breaking the glass, the exterior, because the curtain system is nothing but it's a exterior wall, exterior curtain wall it will become. And here the vertical is 1.0, means 1 meter. So 500 by 1000 I have given here. So based on that you have to change it here also. Horizontal is 0.5 and the vertical is how much? You have to give the value. How much? 1.0, like that you have to give. And just go with OK. So you can see if you click here directly, automatically what will happen? It has been selected. And after selecting, you have to go here, create system. This option will be showing you here. You have to go create system. Create system means automatically here the exterior glazing will become directly. You just go with create system. You can see here the curtain system has been added. Got it? So like that, which type of glass, everything you can make it model in this way. So the glass thickness, everything is same. And here the mass bodies is also there here. So including mass bodies, the 3 sides of your building will be having concrete wall, and the front side I have placed the curtain system wall. And here again the same modeling process. You need to place here one door, so you have to place the door, and any opening you required, or you can put an opening also. So whatever the curtain system modeling, what we have taught and what we have left, you have to apply the same again. because the modeling, manual modeling is same again, but only the automation is here. The this mass bodies we don't want to create, we have to apply the material and system, which type of systems you require, means which type of component you require within this 4 you have to make it. So now wall systems we have did, cutter system also we have did. Now I need to make it floor here, because number of floors, how many levels we have, these are the floors we required here. So now again you have to go and put the cursor, and with the help of tab button you have to select the mass family. You have to click the mass family. After clicking the mass family, you can see here M box is the mass family. After selecting the mass families, here one option will become mass floor. You have to click the mass floor here. And now how many floors we have? All the floors is going to be created. So how many floors you want to make it right now? You just go, that much of floor it is going to become. So sir, I require ground floor, first floor, second floor, and then the which is the top floor, roof floor, whatever the floor you require, you just put it tick and just go with OK, it will become that floor continuously. The floor means it's a mass floor will become, not a concrete or a structure floor. It's a mass floor will become. So you just click, because first our outer shape mass will be there. Within that shape you need to create the mass floor also here. That is the reason here it is the option is given mass floor. You have to go with mass floor and just click with OK. Now you can see number of mass floor is going to be created. You can see here one floor, here also, because the floor has been taken based on the height. So ground floor already the floor is there. Here one floor has came, here one floor. But remaining floor is there, it is above. But our mass bodies is up to here. So it has been taken the 3 floors. This is the ground, this is the first, and this half part has taken the second floor. Like that it has been. So here you can see the mass floor has been created. So after creation this mass floor, again we have to apply our concrete or your FFL or SSL, what type of floor you require, you can see, you can able to apply. So this is one mass floor. If you click also, you can see this is a mass floor. If you want to click here, you can able to see this is a mass floor. If you see here also, this is a mass floor. So 3 floor has been created here, and that floor we have to give some material directly with the help of floor. So you have to go floor by face now, and you have to give here the mass floor, means your already mass bodies is there, but you have to apply the floor material. So now you have to create your floor. Which type of floor you require? 200 RCC floor, or you require some 300 RCC floor. If you require 200 RCC floor, so you have to go and make it duplicate with other size, or you have to give the material directly here, so it will be getting that floor directly on that. So here I am just going to put some concrete material, and this one I want to put some glasses, or sorry, tiles. I want to put some tiles here. So which type of tiles you require, you have to put. I want to put some iron ductile tiles, or some ceiling tiles is also there, but you have to go iron ductile, or else you can able to create the new tiles material also. So you just give this material and just go with OK here. So the below is SSL, above is FFL. The 200 thickness floor will be there. So everything will be the same, and after that you have to click the floor here. After clicking the floor, you have to go create floor. How the create system we have for the curtain wall, here for the floor also you have to click. After selecting the mass floor, then you have to go create floor. Just create. Now you can see automatically here 200 thickness floor has been added. And now after this floor also I want to make it creation. So you have to click this floor also, and again you have to click here create floor. Again one more floor is also going to be added. Again the next floor. This is one more floor. You have to go create floor. So now you can see all the floors has been added. So whatever the floors has been added, depend upon the mass bodies, it has been taken. But you have to make it edit, because you can see this floor has coming outer wall, but it should be inside. So again you have to go manually each and every floor and you have to edit the floor again. So now you can see you have to go, this is the mass bodies, you have to select the floor here. You have to go with the help of tab button, you have to select the floor. You can see this is the floor. You have to go edit boundary. Now you can see your floor has been added exterior, but you have to make it interior. You have to make it interior side, because technically this is the right. Whatever the mass bodies has taken, that is wrong, because the mass bodies, how much the boundary has covered, that much it is going to be taken. So each and every floor you have to go and manually have to edit it. So like that each and every floor is going to be placed. So now floor has been done. Now you want to put a roof also here. So again you have to click the mass bodies. This is the mass bodies, and here you have to place the roof floor also. Okay, so the mass bodies already, this is the roof floor is taking, but we have placed the floor. So if you want to create one more roof floor also here, so manually you can put the roof, or else you have to create one more mass floor here, and that floor you can apply the roof directly here. In that you can also do it. So that is the way we have to work out for the set. So after completion of this, now you have to go here, show mass and floor, forms and floor. Here show mass by view setting. If you click this one, automatically what will happen, your mass bodies is going to be make it hide, means it is going to be off. Just click on that. You can see the mass bodies has been going to be hide. Now it is hide. Only the material which you have given, this is your building right now. This is your building, and now you have to go each and every floor of your building, and the interior side you can do it right now. So whatever the rooms you have to create the room. This is my room, this is one more room, like that. The interior part you have to create it, and you have to place the doors wherever the doors is required. You just go and place the doors. So the inside part right now you can able to do it, but already the exterior part already it is freeze, because it has been done. Now you can see the exterior part already done, and now only the interior part you have to do. So interior door placement, ceilings, and whatever the work you can do in interior, you have to do it. But your outer part has been fixed, because these three sides the concrete wall is coming, and the front side the curtain systems are there. So now exterior part has been done. So how we have did this one? With the help of massing model. We never created any model directly and placed the model here. We have to create the model by using mass body. So like that we have created here one mass body system. Okay, so now you just go again here. This is just created. Now you have to create one more mass body that you have to be do here with the help of the mass placement. Now you can see here one more mass bodies I am placing here. Massing and side, place mass, and which one you require, this one. So now this circular has been get. So this circular body I want to create again the mass floor. So now you can see this circular body, it's a mass floor, but I want to give here the mass material, which means our component material. So again you have to go here, show mass and forms and floor. Means you want to make it on this mass floor. Just click on that, it is going to be on. So whenever you will do show mass by view setting, it is going to be off. You can see it is going to be off. This mass body is not going to be shown here. It's off. You want to make it on, you have to go show mass, forms and floor. If you click this one, again the mass bodies will be visible. It will be. So on off you have to do by using these two menus. This is off, this is on. Means show mass means it is going to be show you the mass families, mass body. This view setting is nothing but it is going to be make it turn off. It is going to be make it off. The display will be not there. Now this is totally the curtain wall. I want to put the surrounding, so you have to go curtain systems and click it and go and select here create system. So automatically you can see the curtain system has been done. Again this another phase, because half of the part has done. Again this side also you want to make it curtain, you have to click and again you have to go curtain system. It will be created. So now you can see it's a very fast way we are creating because already the shape is ready. Just we need to apply the material. Like that we have to do. Again after selecting this mass bodies, again in that also we will create the mass floor again. Just go and select the mass floor, which floor you require, you just select it and just go with OK. So it is going to be created the mass floor also. You can see the mass floor has been created, and within that mass floor again we have to go floor and you have to apply the material and just go with create floor. It has been created. The floor is going to be created, you can see. So the exterior part we are doing by using massing. The inside part also we are doing by using the floor, and the rest of the things you can do by using the interior modeling part. However, so here the exterior part, everything it is going to be created this way. Because manual modeling, if you go, you have to go and pick it like that. And if you go curtain system also directly here, round system, the curtain system, if you are going, nothing will become the right. You can see here, if you are going to go with the curtain system and wall here, so circular wall, it's a very difficult. You can see here the circular wall will become, but how it is going to become, you can see you have to provide all curtain system style. Slowly then it is going to become. You can see now the system has been done with the help of curtain grid, then only it is going to be visible with the circle. Am I right? Like that we have to do it. But here manually how much time it is taking? It's taking a lot of time. Right now you can see the half part of that curtain system has been done. Again here you have to put the curtain grid. Then only it is going to become a circle. So manually you have to place all the curtain grid, then your circular shape it is going to be visible. But here automatically exactly the shape is coming, and including with the braking systems also. You can go and see in 3D, you can able to understand the system how it is going to be done here. Now you can see that I am making movements over here, you can able to understand. So now you can see your curtain wall we have it up to the half. Remaining half, if you want to put a circle, again you have to go curtain grid. Then only it will become. Again you have to put curtain grid, then only it will be comes again the next step. Again if you put curtain grid, again it will become. Again it will become. Like that each and every circular curtain system, it is not possible directly. It will take some time manually. But when you will go for the curtain systems, this curtain systems automatically with the help of massing directly to become. Exactly the shape. What was the shape you will give? The systems, the curtain systems, the wall, whatever the floor, exactly the shape will become. So it's a very easy to make it model directly here by using existing model. Okay, so this is all the existing mass model. We have applied the material on that, it has been here. Now you want to create a new model, and these all are the model. You can see this is exactly the vertical shape. This is circular vertical shape and this is square vertical shape. Okay, so this is all our manual modeling. Now we want to make it circle. Manually it will take some time, but after creation the mass body, you can see the exactly the circular of that exterior part of the curtain system has been came automatically. So after applying this material also, if you want to make it any addition, that is also possible. You can able to make it edit also. So you have to put curtain grid. If you want to say I want to bring one more glass here, you can make it grid. Just click, it will become grid. If you want to make it one horizontal break also here, a vertical break, that is also possible. You can see. So you can break it, make it movement, modification, everything you can do it. Because after applying the material, it will become a normal model. You can do it. Okay, so this is existing family. Now how I want to create a new family, and with that help of new mass family, how I want to apply this all materials again. Or if you are going to create something, the object, that object you want to apply some materials on that, that is also possible, you can able to do it. So you just go massing and site, and now you have to give in place mass. You have to click in place mass, and when you are going to create in place mass, here it is going to be ask you some name of the object, which object you are going to be creating. So right now I am just giving some XXX object name and just go with OK. Now you can see here the creation tool is there. Okay, you can able to create whatever the shapes you require, you can able to create. So now I am going to creating a building with vertical, and the shape of the building will be like this. This is the shape of my building, is in a rectangular shape or some square shape, whatever the shape you require, you have to make it. But some of the part of my building, it is coming like that. This is my shape of the building. You can make it movement, whatever the shapes you require you can, but somewhat like that, yeah, somewhat like that, or somewhat this shape. So this is our building, you can just imagine such a way. So this is the shape of my building, it's coming. Because the shape, we can't give any dimension here, because as per the shapes how you require, you have to create it here, the same. Okay, after creating, then you have to go in 3D view. If you click the 3D view, you can see here your creation of that shape has been done here. It is also going to be visible in 3D. So after selecting, now you can see here there is an option is showing solid form, white form. Solid form means it will become as a solid model. If you go with white forms, it will become, it is the model will be there, but it is hollow model. Okay, already the model, it is going to become a hollow. So wherever the hollow systems you require, you have to go with white, and in that existing model, it is going to become a hollow. But if you are required a solid model, so first you have to make it solid, then you have to make it white also, it is required. So you have to go here, solid forms, and after clicking the solid forms, now you can see your building, your model is going to become a solid. And this shape, how many floors is required, you just make it extrude like that. Because now this is a tower. This is the shape of your building, and it is becoming a tower. And after applying this tower, if you want to change anything, any angle or any twisting, you can do it. With the help of this arrow, this arrow, this arrow. 3 sides, X and Y, Z arrow has been given. If you say, sir, I want to make it some movement like that, right side, so you can click it and drag it. You can see your mass model is also going to be become the angle. If you want to make it somewhat the shape again in top, you can make it top like that. So how the shapes you required, with the help of this element, you can make it that shape exactly. This side if you require, you just go and make it this side some up. It will become some up. Because it's a paper shape, how you require, with the help of this arrow, each and every corner, each and every point you can do it. You can able to use this point also. You can able to use this point also. This side point also. You can able to use this side point also. So how you require, you can make it manage here. Now you can see the shape which I have prepared right now. There is no lengthwise, no widthwise, no heightwise. Some different shapes. And this is your building. This is the exterior part of your building. It should be look like that. So after completion of this mass model, now you have to go with finish. Now your one family of mass bodies has been created. This is one family, you just think in such a way, this is one mass body family, that's all. Now this is your building shape, and within that shape I want to give exterior part, I want to give interior part, everything. This is the exterior and interior both I have created here, and based on that it is going to be worked out for the same. Okay, so now how it is going to be worked out, and it is going to, because Now the creation has been done. This is one XXX, the mass families which I have created the view. And now this family I want to apply the curtain system. So some two parts I required curtain system, and the remaining two parts I required wall system. So how you require, you can do it. So before applying this wall systems and curtain systems, you have to apply the number of floors also here. So you have to go mass floor, and how many floors you require, you just put a tick on that. So I required all floors, so you have to click all floors and just go with OK. So the mass floor also going to be created here, you can see. Because your floor up to here it is coming. If you are going to make it in the level more here, again the number of floors it is going to be come. So just for your example, I am just making some more levels here. Just for your information only, I am just preparing some more floor with some 4.5 meter. 4.5 meter. Some more floor I am preparing here. Just example for your information. Okay, and whatever the floors right now I have prepared here, that floor also it is going to become inside the model. So again you have to click the mass families, again you have to go mass floor, and remaining floor also you have to put a tick mark. Because right now I have created the same floor here. Just go with OK. Now you can see the remaining floors also is going to become the top. So this is your building, the number of floors already has been there. So exterior part has also done, interior part is also done, and now this is the roof floor. So if you want to make it in edit, so you can go again in the editing place, because the roof floor is coming some half part. If you require somewhat momentum or something, you just click again and you can make it modification, because I want to put it some above, because my roof floor is not coming properly. So you have to go again, some modification with finish, it will become. And now you can see above, again you will find out here the floor will be there. So now your roof floor is coming like that, because your building shape will be same way. So now after completion of the floor, the exterior part, now you have to apply each and every material on the floor, because this is thin paper, it's a transparent, it will be visible inside outside both, it will be the same visibility will be there. Okay, so now you have to go marking and side, and now the two phase I am going to provide the brick wall, and the remaining two side I am going to provide the curtain system. So first you have to go with the curtain system and click the face, which face. If you require curtain system, this face, which face you require, you just click that face. Now I just require this face, so you click here and create the system. So automatically you can see the curtain system has been come with this shape automatically. So this is the vertical face, the curtain system is going to be applied. So manual modeling is not required, directly it is giving the model based on the mass body system. It is going to be created, the model. You can see your model has been created, because the exterior part. You can see this type of towers, this type of buildings you can able to find out in outside of any of the city. You can go, you can just find out this one. Okay, now here the curtain system is there, and this face also I want to put curtain system. Or if you want to put some wall also, this face, so you just click and select the wall, which type of wall you require. Okay, so if you say, so I want to put this exterior metal stud wall, so you just click that system, the type, and just apply on that. It is going to be comes the same wall, the same thing. You can see the wall has came here. So up to here, this is the curtain system, and here this is the wall. And again the back face also you have to make it turn, and back face this side I want again the same wall. It is going to be continued. Just click on that, it will become. But again this side I require a curtain system. So again you have to go curtain system and just place the system, create the system. It will become. So now exterior part has been done. So you can see while doing this massing, how your work is going to be completed, because exterior part is already completed right now. No need to make it again. So directly your exterior view you can able to show the presentation. Now interior, now you have to go each and every floor, you have to create your requirement views, which type of views, which type of rooms, how you require the floor, everything you can create it your own. Now you can see the two sides we have applied the curtain system, and again the remaining two sides we applied the brick wall. So here it will be there. So after creation of here, now remaining inside we have to create the floor. So again here you have to go floor and create the floor. So where this is the floor, one floor, just click create floor, it will become. You can see the floor will be come. So exactly the shape it's going to be take. Now this is one floor, one more floor. This is one floor, one more floor. Like each and every floor you just click and place the floor as per your requirement. You can create it. The floor also is going to be created. So no need any manual sketching, directly it is coming. If you require this floor, click and just put create floor, it will become. So floor also possible we can do, curtain system also possible we can do, and exterior wall also possible we can do. But right now sir, this floor I want to put a roof. So you have to go roof and select the roof thickness, how much the thickness you require. You just select and place this floor as a roof. Just click on that and create here roof. And if you click that roof, it will become a roof floor here. You can see. It is a roof floor. But the roof floor, the material has been taken as a tile, roofing tiles. Because existing this material already we have given, so that the reason it is going to be there. So roof floor is also done, base floor also be done, the exterior part is also done. Now you have to go each and every floor and you have to do your interior. Because exterior has been done, now you have to go and work out for the interior. Now wherever your room is required, you can put the wall and you have to make it close. This is my room, this is one room, this is one more room. How you require, you just go and create it. Because exterior modeling no need to change, because you have to work inside this only. Because exterior part already it's done, it's a freeze, it's a fixed. If you do any modification exterior, again you have to do the modification interior also the same. So each and every modeling part you have to do exterior and interior different. And wherever the doors you require, you can place the doors. I require one door here, one door here, like that. How you require, you can make it. So your floor is going to be visible like that, same as per the requirement of the building. You can see. Now you have to make it off this mask floor. You have to go view settings, the mask floor you have to make it off the mask bodies. Now your building is going to be applied with that floor, everything. And within that you have to make it the model presentation. So this is the way we can able to work out in modeling of mass bodies by applying our material system to it. So this is vertical floor, but some of the buildings you can see there is some twisting shapes also is going to become. So that is also possible, we can able to do it. Okay, now you can see how many floors we have created. That floors is also only it is going to be visible, and remaining floor it's empty because the floor we have not created. So that is the reason these are empty here. And now your building is having the view exterior and interior. Inside the view it is going to be visible. You can see your inside wall, whatever the walls you have created, that is also going to be visible. So manually each and every floor you have to do modeling based on that. So this is one type of building we have created. Now you want to create one more type of building, that is also possible. Here we can able to work out for the same. How? Again you have to go in place mask, and here you have to give one more name, some Y I am giving. But whenever you are working for the massing, you have to give some proper name. Your building name, your building some of the site location name or something you have to give it. Okay, so that will be name it is going to become for the project. So now you have to go here, some rectangular shape I am preparing here. This is my building, and after creation you have to go in 3D. How much part you require the solid forms, that much part you can able to work out here directly. So how it will become, because now this building, the shape I required some twisting angle. So that is also possible, we can able to do it here. by using this twisting angle. So within that it is going to be work out for the same. Now here this building has been came and you have to go with the finish. So here, sorry, the solid forms we have to click it first, then it is going to be become the finish, because without solid it will be look as a thin line. Okay, so now again you have to click it here. Just a minute, it will become. So it is going to be visible for the same. So you have to make it solid first, and you have to click here and go again, editing place, select it here. Select the mask body, because sometimes what will happen by mistake, if you click directly the solid forms without clicking the finishing, so that time it will become, or if you are not clicking the solid forms and you just click the finish, it will be go. So now again you have to make it back. Now you have to click here and you can see here the solid form will become. You have to make it solid form. So then it will become a solid, and how much height you require, that height you have to make it maintain the same. Now this is the height of your building. Okay, like that it has been changed. Now after that you have to go finish, and now your sketch has been done. Now you have to select, after completion of this sketch, now you have to select your building, because now it is vertical tower, but it is not coming vertical tower, because your building is coming some twisting angle, some your rotation angle it has been coming. So that you have to make it here, and you have to work out for the same. So now after clicking here, again you have to go mask, edit in place, and select the mask body. After completion, select the mask bodies, and after selecting the mask body, now you have to go with the rotation angle, twisting angle, how much the angle you have. So what will happen, this mask body is also going to become a twisting here, automatically it will become. So after selecting here the mask body, you have to go here rotate. You can see here one option is there, rotate. So before rotating, you can see here there is one option is there, add profile. Here one option is there, add profile. This menu you have to click, and from where to where you want to make it the twist angle. So you have to make it one place as a fix, that is add profile. So now I want to become a, I want to make it here one twisting angle. So I just keep in here this profile, and after getting this profile, now you have to go rotate angle. Now I have to go rotate, and here you have to give the angle. So now 45 degree angle I just want to make it rotate. So you just give 45 degree and make it enter. So what will happen, automatically it is going to become a 45 degree twisting. You can see it came. Your building is look like that. You can make it the shape this way, and after completion just go with finish. Now your building is, the shape will be like that only, because this is the shape I require, because it is starting from here but it is making a some bend. So this type of modeling manually is not possible here. Manually it's not possible here. We have to make it some changes, and based on that it is going to be work out for the same. So now after completion of this, now you have to go here masking, and you have to apply the curtain system wherever you require. The within that shape, now you have to click and create the curtain system. Just go and create the curtain system. So it will become. Or meanwhile, you have to create the floors also, because the floor shape is also will be comes this way, how it was. Okay, like that. So it is becoming slow, because the model is heavy right now, because many things we have developed here, so it will be become the same. So before applying the curtain system, you have to make it the mask floor first. You have to go and click all the floors, and you are just work out for the same. Now after clicking all floor, you can see all the floors has been came here, and the floors is also going to be, it will be become the same shape as per the requirement of the project. Okay, the same things it is going to be to here. So now you can see all the floors have been came here, and the floor shape is also the same shape. How the building will become, the floor shape is also will be looking the same. Now you have to go apply each and every material on that, and here create system, it is going to be created the curtain system. Now this type of shape, the curtain system creation is not possible manually, because it is possible here directly with the help of masking only. Now you can see the shape automatically, it is going to be generated here, the curtain wall. The curtain system is going to be generated, and it is going to be visible as per the same. It will become just a minute, because slowly it will be generate the system. Okay, slowly it will become just a minute, it is going to be generated, because each and every curtain grid has to be break, and it should be generate the same. So while applying, you have to check it the same. You can see here the process is going on. Slowly it is going to be generate the shape, and the shape is going to become exactly the angle, and it is not coming even single difference also. It will be changed. So this is the way we can able to work out here the curtain system. So you have to create the mask bodies, and you can able to. Now you can see the curtain system is also came this shape. Am I right? So this is the way we can able to work out here in masking body. So curtain system has been. Now you want to put here the roof, you can put the roof also here. The floor, you generate the roof floor here. So you have to place one more roof floor. Wherever is required, you can apply that, and wherever the floors you require, you can apply that, and wherever the walls you require, you can apply the walls. So like that, your shapes of that building is going to become the outer shape, and now manually you have to do the interior modeling. Inside modeling part you have to do the same. So like that, most of the tower, there is a building is some 60, 70, some 100 of floors. That time the outer shape of that building is going to be making here with the help of this masking only. It will become easier. So many company people, they are asking to develop the model in masking, because the building shapes, the exterior part, any angle, any rotation, any twisting angle, everything is going to become with the help of this masking only. You just go and create with in-place mask, and you can create your families also, the mask body, and then you generate the material on that. It is going to become that shape as per your mask shape which you have created. It will become. So this is the way we can able to work out in masking. I hope everyone is getting knowledge on that, because it's a simple way. You just create it and make it. But only the process, how we have to create the mask bodies, that process you have to know. But everything, the manual modeling, the process, everything will be the same way, and you have to work out in a process the same way. It will be reflect in our process also. If you want to make it off this mask body, so what will happen? Only this solid shape will become, but the rest of the shape, it is going to be empty. It will be never there. So like that also it will be there, and it is going to be work out in a project the same process. So you can make it off also. You can see now I am going to make it off this shape. So how it is going to be visible? Now you can see only one side I have given. Now I am going and pressing a off this mask, turn off. So after making off, you can see only this curtain system is going to be visible. Now you can see the curtain system, how the angle, the breaking of all the curtain grid, the pieces of glasses, glaze, which is going to be visible. Now I'm making it off. So this three parts is going to be made off, and this mask load is also going to be making off. Only the outer shape of this curtain system is only it's going to be visible. So like that we can able to make it model in this way. Okay, it's taking some time because generating and making of the system is not supporting fully. So that is it. So meanwhile you have to know it, because whenever you are going to work out in a Revit BIM project, so your system configuration should be very high. You have to provide your system RAM minimum some 4 GB or minimum some 120 GB also, 128 GB also you have to provide, because the RAM speed should be more and your processor should be more. That's for that reason only it's going to be visible. Okay, now you can see only the curtain system is visible, because the rest of the area the mask bodies are off. We have made it off. So now you can see the shape, how this shape has came. This shape manually creation is possible? No, it's not possible. Maybe you can create, but it will take a lot of time, because the curveness of this shape exactly with the equal breaking, it's not possible manually. You can see equally breaking, equally taking the angle, equally taking the shape. Manually it's not possible. So that's the reason we have to go with the curtain system and this masking. Okay, so now I am going to make it on again. Show mask and floors. It is going to become on again. It is going to be turned on again. Okay, it's coming just a minute. Now you have to apply the material on this. You have to go again normal wall. If you are normal floor, whatever you require, you just click and select the wall. Create wall, it has been created. And here you also, if you require wall, you can create the wall also, the shape. Because the wall also it's going to become this shape. Because whatever the shapes you have did, this everything has become. So I hope this is the way you have to do some practice on that, and you have to create the shape of that model. So one project also I will give in you that the building shapes will be have some like that, this twisting shape. So by seeing that elevation, you have to create that mask bodies and you have to apply the curtain systems on this. It is going to be complex system. Okay, so this is the way you have to do some practice on that visualization. So like that, the masking model creations you will do in such a way. Now you can see the wall has been came. Now if you want to apply in the floor also, the same process. So after completion of this, now if you go in ground floor, you can see your building, this is your floor. If you go again the top floor, automatically you can see your building floor is going to be visible like this. Because each and every floor, your shape is changing. You can see the shape is changing. Here also you can see your shape is changing. Here you can go, you can see your shape is changing. If you go some this earth level, your floor shape is changing. So now each and every floor you have to go and apply the material on that, and it is going to be visible the same in 3D how it is going to be look like. Got it? So this is the way you have to apply and see. Now you can see your curtain wall also done, your this shape, this side of wall also done. Now your building shape will be like that. So like that they will be do this architecture, and this model, this layout, again the architecture people, they will submit to the civil team, structure team, design team, and by seeing this architecture view, the civil people have to be design their structure. They have to be design the beam, column, footing, everything they will design. Because right now whatever the floors I am keeping here, this is architecture, structure floor also will become the same. But based on the floor, based on the thickness, based on the shape, based on the roof floor, everything, your civil team has to be do that design here again. Because there is no structure here, only the architecture model we have created. So in the massing we need to create only the architecture, structure is not possible. Because again the structure model, you have to go a structure, here you have to create. Only architecture model will become, because the wall, floor, roof and curtain systems it will become. So these are the four entities it's going to be create the model. So many companies people, they will create this exterior part and they will show the presentation to the consultant or client if they are given approval. So based on this shape, they will create the inside modeling, everything, and that drawing they have forwarded to, they are going to be forwarded to the directly to the civil consultant, design consultant team, and based on the design consultant team, they will make it the structure design again. And by seeing this design, this shape, the structure people also, they will work hard and they will create their model, structure model, again by using this shape. Because the shape is final, it's for freeze. No need any changes again, no need to make any changes. If some difficulties if they are facing by using the design, so they will discuss with the architect team and they will give some of the suggestion, or they will change something if it is required. That the further process they will do in such a way. But as per the concept and process, it will be do the same thing here. Okay, so this